Hey loves, in today's video, I will be creating this gorgeous iridescent nail art inspired by Swarovski's Fire Opal crystals that I purchased from Daily Charm. Up close, you can see just how beautiful these Swarovski size 12 Fire Opal crystals are. I purchased 40 for $6. The Daily Charm website states it is an amber-hued crystal that shifts color between orange and yellow. For my first design, I am going to apply a layer of the Aimeili Builder Base to adhere my iridescent flakes. These orange and clear iridescent flakes are a part of the Go Create 12-color foil confetti pack that I picked up from Walmart for $2. When I am done applying them, I will then cure this nail for 30 seconds. I have never used iridescent flakes in a set before, so I was really excited to incorporate them into today's design. I am now encapsulating the flakes with another layer of the builder base, and I will cure for an additional 30 seconds. After curing, I buffed the surface of the nail to remove any lumps. Unfortunately, I did miss a few, but that's okay. I am now adding a coat of the Your Sugar 666 gel polish. Overall, it took 2 coats for full opacity, and I cured each coat for 30 seconds. This is the Model 1's base coat. After curing, I will then use the inhibition layer to adhere my gold foil. This gold foil is from Amazon. I am applying it where the iridescent flakes and gel polish meet because that was a pretty rough paint job because, like I said earlier, I did not properly buff out all of the lumps. So I'm just pressing it there, making sure that I cover all of the imperfections up. Now I am encapsulating my gold foil with a coat of builder base. I will also use this to adhere my Fire Opal crystal. Now I'm going to tell you this was a very unnecessary step because it just made the nail super bulky and it was a pain to try to reshape and buff it down. This was really unnecessary. When I started out doing my nails, I used the IBD Builder gel. So that's what I was used to, and I would encapsulate all of the time, but that's when I was building my nails. These are full cover nails and they will get super bulky really quick, especially if you are encapsulating on top of the nail. So next time when I do a design similar to this, I am going to forego this step because, like I said, it's completely unnecessary. Here is the first crystal, and so far I am loving how cohesive this design is. All of these colors and textures flow so well together. For my middle finger, I decided to do a bling nail. It is a quick and easy way to incorporate a nail into a set if you don't already have a design planned out. I applied the Gadget's Entrepot Rhinestone Glue Gel. Now I'm going over it with my Aimeili top coat. For my next design, I decided to do a horizontal split with the gel polish, and I'm going to fill in the middle with the iridescent flakes. After curing the nail, I applied the Gadget's Entrepot Rhinestone Glue, followed by a layer of the No Wipe top coat. Now I'm placing down my crystals, and I realize these being a size 12, they are too large for the cuticle area, but I did it anyway. I'm going to cure this nail again for an additional 60 seconds. I absolutely love these nails. the iridescent flakes, the gold foil, and of course the Swarovski fire opal crystals paired with this black gel polish is beautiful. I want to say these are my favorite fall nails that I have ever done. Let me know what you think in a comment below. Also, all of the products that I used will be available in the description. And until next time, bye loves!